my name is Andrea. I'm a licensed esthetician, and today I'm here to talk to you about one of my favorite products, the Vita Active Serum. Now this serum is amazing because it's not your traditional vitamin C serum, and that's because it has 5 targeted treatment ingredients all in one little vial. They're going to help you address some common skin concerns, and that's thanks to the 20% vitamin C, 13 antioxidants, and 3 humectants that are all coming together to give you clear, even, glowing, dewy skin. So let's talk about the 5 different benefits this serum is lending to your skin. Number 1, skin brightening, and that's thanks to the 20% vitamin C, licorice root extract, turmeric root extract, and glutathione. And all of these ingredients are coming together to help give you a more brighter, even-looking complexion. But when we give ourselves a more even-looking complexion, we want to make sure we're targeting the source for not having an even-looking complexion. And that leads us to the second benefit that this serum is providing, which is pigment blocking. And it does so with alpha-arbutin and niacinamide. And it helps to break the cycle of pigmentation, which can be caused by multiple sources, whether it's stress, anxiety, it could be a hormonal imbalance for certain times in our lives, it can be external factors that are getting in and kind of compromising the look of our skin. So these ingredients are really going to help round out and emphasize skin brightening and pigment blocking from our complexion. But we can treat our skin for skin brightening and blocking pigment, but if we're not giving it the nourishment it needs, our skin isn't really going to look as healthy or thrive as well as it can. And that's where number 3 comes into play, which is hydration. And that's thanks to hyaluronic, aloe vera leaf juice, and glycerin, which are the 3 main humectants responsible for bringing moisture into your skin and hydrating it, giving it that juicy bounce and that suppleness. So is that enough? We can treat things internally to give us a better result externally, but what about external factors that are bearing down on our skin? That's where number 4 comes into play, and that would be skin defense, thanks to Undaria stem cell culture. And what this is doing is it's helping to infuse the skin with oxygen, which not only helps to promote healthy rejuvenation, but it creates an ozone layer around the skin that blocks out urban pollution. And when I say urban pollution, I mean things as simple as car exhausts or smoke, smog, dust, debris, lots of little microscopic things in the atmosphere that are taking away the vibrancy and youthfulness from our skin every day, and we don't even see it happening. Which leads me to our final benefit, skin rejuvenation. We want to make sure that our skin is able to assess all of the damage that's incurred within, whether that's externally like your muscles or moisture levels, or even if there's a wound that needs to be sealed back shut. So we do this in the serum utilizing a biofermented purslane plant. And what that's doing is it's lending a plethora of vitamins and minerals to the skin, like magnesium, calcium, potassium, and these are helping to act like an electrolyte drink for your face. So it's giving your skin the energy it needs and the nutrients it needs to really healthily repair itself. And it has a beautiful color. And that's thanks to the turmeric root extract and another natural ingredient called astaxanthin. And these 2 ingredients combine to give you this gorgeous golden hue, which looks like orange juice for your face. So there you have it. The 5 targeted treatment ingredients that are helping to give you more luminous, glowing skin. Let's review them one more time. So you're getting skin brightening, you're getting pigment blocking, hydration, skin defense, and rejuvenation. And you can think of that as a multivitamin for your skin, because it's never too late or too early to take good care of your complexion. So remember to take your vitamins with the Vita Active Serum.